What up, everybody, and welcome to this new vlog. I got a lot of good response on the last one, so I figured I'm gonna make a new one. And right now, this vlog is gonna be all about me and my family. We're going for a hike, so I thought I'll bring you guys with me, and it's gonna be good. So yeah. Yeah. By the way, this is my room. I just put out some clothes here. It's not the best clothes, as you guys can see, for a trip like this, but I'll survive. It'll be good. Han sover.
Ja, ok.
Han kan ikke snakke, han sover.
Ja, men si at han har glemt å rydde buksen sin her inne.
Ja, han har glemt å rydde buksen din her inne. Ja, jeg har sagt det, men jeg vet ikke om han skal med seg.
Ok. Ha det.
Ha det.
Ja. Det. Swimming på Rødland, and you can see my parents up there, my brother's swimming here. You can see how beautiful it is. So yeah, guys, we're almost at the top now. I'm here with my little brother, and yeah, it's pretty beautiful up here. I mean, it's a lot of fog, which makes it look pretty cool. And yeah, I'm enjoying the trip so far. Take 10 push-ups right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. Go! Oh shit! 10. Okay, what's up, guys? Now we've been walking for about 2 hours now, and I think we're lost. Like, literally, if you can see those guys in front of there, that's my family. You can barely see them. Everything's foggy. You can't see more than like 10 meters in front of you. So this is kind of weird. Look at this, it's so crazy. We got back on track finally, and it's pretty weird where we are right now. Like, oh shit, about to fall right there. As you guys can see, it's it looks pretty dead. Like, there's nothing here. It's just fog everywhere. And yeah, we got back on track. I know this track. I've been here when I was younger, so I know the track, and yeah, it's good. It's actually quite nice up here. But yeah, that's it, and then we're on our way down now, so yeah. It's awesome. Okay guys, so we made it down from the mountain. We're down again, and we just spotted 2 trampolines, so we're gonna jump a little bit on them, and we're gonna go home. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I've enjoyed it a hell of a lot, and thank you for watching.